welcome back. Just Shirley Davis back to my video. I'd like to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. All right, so today we'll just talk about Marvell Technologies because I think it's one of the hottest stocks. Marvell Technologies this week is up over 10%. They had a great deal with Google or Alphabet. They opened up a deal with Google earlier this week, over $12 billion stake. So possibilities are limitless. It was said before that Google was working with Broadcom, but now it's a possibility they would be working with Marvell Technologies for their chips. Again, we saw that Monday we had a great day in the stock market, SanDisk, Western Digital, and such. But on Tuesday, the 18th, shares dropped again. Now this had to do with this whole yields, Treasury yields. Okay, as we see here on the CNBC, they're talking about stock futures are little changed after a steep sell-off by the move made by higher in Treasury yields. So again, this week as the debt has increased, the people that are buying the bonds don't feel safe. Okay, so it says Treasury yields rebound, wiping out decline following Bassett's intervention. Okay, so the treasurer is working closely, watching the market, but bond buyers are not buying it. As Treasury yields go up, the debt, United States is in debt over $40 trillion right now. And as each data center is being built, more and more corporations are taking out debt, bonds, whatever, to fund these, build outs. So again, Treasury yields are accelerating past 5%, and basically that's what's disrupting the stock market. Okay, but let's go back to the Marvell Technologies story. Okay, here it is. Marvell Technology stock pop over 10% on AI chip deal that lets Google buy up to 12.2 billion in shares. The high key point states that Marvell Technologies pop, and the deal is part of Google and Marvell partnership on custom chips, including products attached to TPU ecosystem. Okay, Google has largely been working with Broadcom, just as I mentioned before, but now they are opening up a new vendor, Marvell Technologies, to possibly supply them custom chips, rather than just be limited to one TPU provider like Broadcom. They are opening up. Okay, so again, this allows more flow between the companies as things expand rapidly. Again, Marvell Technologies pop over 10%. So again, if you watch my videos, I talk about Marvell all the time. And I said this is a long-term hold, right? So here it is. Now let's take a quick look at the stock. Okay, here we are looking at shares of Marvell Technologies, again, up over 10%. And again, the week started out great. The shares accelerated from 215 to 230 on Monday, and then it dropped off on the close. On Tuesday, many AI stocks such as SanDisk, Western Digital, all sold out. Okay, so they got a lot of people to lose their position. But if you just held, shares rallied back to $246 per share, and now it's accelerating up toward $260 per share, all in 1 week as Google makes a big move to open up customized chips with Marvell Technologies. Now real quick, I'm going to show my paper account. So I do practice trading before I do buy into some of these stocks, so let me share that with you. Okay, this is Thinkorswim. If you want to invest Thinkorswim, sign up for a guest account. Again, you can practice trading with the guest account. I bought 100 shares of Marvell Technologies somewhere around July 27th. And today, those shares are trading right around $250. head. So I took advantage, invested over 100 shares at 185, and today they're trading at 251 per share. All right, so that's the power of investing. Now I can tell you, in my other positions, I did lose. So I invested 50 shares in Amazon a week ago, and I'm down over 8,000. I invested 20 shares in Applied Materials, and I'm down $700. But the only one I'm up on looks like Marvell Technologies. All right, but again, use these platform for practice. All right, so again, the best trade I have in my paper account, which is fake money, you can invest up to 200,000. They populate your account with over 200,000, and from there you can practice trade and see where you would go if you invested in a Marvell Technologies or Amazon. Again, I invested a little over 100 shares at 185 per share about a month ago, and today those shares are trading at $250. All right, so use your Thinkorswim platform. This is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Again, use Thinkorswim. You can trade any day, all day, and invest in practice before you actually buy the real stock. All right, thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, and I hope to see you on another one.